Okay, so it is now 10 o'clock, 9:59 to be exact, but we finally just got an update for Model S, and it almost feels like Model S and X have been kind of pushed to the wayside for Model 3 lately.
Yeah, it's been a long time since we last got an update on the Model S. Not that I'm counting, but it's been 57 days that we were on 2018.50.6, and we just got the update notification. We saw that 2019.8.3 was going wide over the last day or so, and we just got the update on this Model S, and we have just installed it, and now we're here to check out and see what new features we have for the Model S.
Yeah, it's kind of nice. Hopefully Model S and X kind of pick up a little bit, because it almost feels like my Model 3's been getting them all the time.
They've added
and
a lot of new
we really haven't
features.
been getting a lot for poor S and X.
It's been a while.
So let's go ahead and walk through it real quick. What update did we get, though?
2019.8.3.
Okay, so let's go ahead and show you these release notes.
Yeah, that's one thing I noticed when I got in the car. There are no release notes. So
there aren't any.
And somebody said that they were able to get theirs by scrolling, but I'm not seeing anything here.
We're not getting anything.
It's not working. So it seems to be a problem with Model S release notes not working.
So we're going to do some digging and figure out what's new and report back.
20 minutes later.
Okay, the first thing I noticed is that under the climate controls, they've consolidated this into one screen, so you don't have to toggle between tabs to adjust the ventilation versus the seating controls for the Sub-Zero controls. This did come out several versions ago for the Model 3, but this is the first that we've seen it on our Model X here. So also on Model S, we noticed that we now have dog mode, and this lets us, keep the car at a certain temperature if you're inside shopping and you have a dog, or I guess you're not supposed to put children or other things in the car, but you can leave your dog supposedly in the car. It will come up with a picture on the screen showing what the current temperature is, as well as a message telling people not to worry that the car is at a set temperature, and has a picture of a dog. The one thing I did notice, though, is that it looks like the picture of the dog on dog mode on the Model S is not animated, whereas on the Model 3 it is. So one other feature that we noticed is new in the Model S is this blind spot collision warning chime, which is basically just a warning note that will play whenever your vehicle starts leaving the lane, and it detects a vehicle in your blind spot.
That's actually super nice to have.
Yeah.
I am excited for that
It'd be
one.
neat to see, and I heard too that it changes, I think we've had red lines for the past version, but now I think it will display a car in red. I haven't seen it yet because we just got this, but I believe it will show the car in red. We'll find out. So there are a couple things that we thought we might get, but are not available in this update, at least for this Model S. One being the Sentry mode. Eric recently received that in his Model 3 a couple weeks back. This Model S, though, is only an Autopilot 2.0, and while Elon did state a while back that all vehicles with Autopilot 2 or above would be getting Sentry mode, it still has not been released for the Model S, Model X Autopilot 2.0. We wonder if he might have been referring to Autopilot 2.5 hardware or above, because those cars do have additional hardware that are not in the Autopilot 2.0 cars. So it might be that we never get Sentry mode, or maybe it's just going to come later. It might take some additional programming before they're going to enable it on these cars. We did find one more feature, which is auto-folding mirrors, which based upon GPS location. So if you come in here to Quick Controls, do Fold, you'll see it has this always fold mirrors here. And that way you could just set it at certain locations to always fold the mirrors.
Yeah, and we noticed this mirror icon is different. It's not normally under Quick Controls for Model S. I don't remember ever being there.
Yeah.
So that's kind of
what's
the new
weird
layout.
though too is that I would have expected to see it maybe down here where it's talking about mirror auto tilt and mirror auto fold.
Yeah.
But it's not here. It's up in the Quick Controls. You'd think that they would replicate or duplicate it down there.
Yeah, I think they should duplicate it, to be honest, because here is where it should be, but also Quick Controls, it's not bad here. And then you just select that, and now it says auto fold set at this location, or then you can exit, so you can turn it on and off at whatever you want.
So again, I can see that they maybe added this feature for people with narrow garage doors, so when you're driving home, and before you enter the garage, the mirrors would automatically fold in, so you don't have to worry about hitting the side of the garage door. But we don't need that in our wide doors, wide garage. I would prefer they stay open just to reduce wear and tear on the mirrors, because I don't know if many of you remember, but a year or two ago, the mirrors didn't automatically fold and unfold every time you lock the door, and now they automatically fold and unfold whenever you walk by the car, and it just seems to be extra wear and tear on those motors, and it's just like, I would just prefer if they stayed open when I'm at home and closed everywhere else.
Okay, so clearly we did get some stuff. Still a few things missing, but it is nice to see Model S get a little bit of love.
Yeah.
I don't think this is rolled out to any X's yet, though.
I don't know. I just think it just started hitting either today or yesterday, so it's maybe some X.
Yeah, hopefully some X's are getting it. If you are, definitely let us know down in the comments below. And let us know if you found something that we totally missed. Since there were no release notes, we had to fiddle around with some things and try to figure out what was new and what wasn't. So if you do see something new, definitely drop it down there below too.
Now, Elon did tweet a while back that like the Navigate on Autopilot without confirmation is coming soon.
Yeah.
I think it was supposed to be coming in March, but we're almost to the end of March, so maybe that's going to be a later release. So we did not see that in here. There's no new settings for Navigate on Autopilot.
Correct. So hopefully that comes soon. That would be super nice. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Just wanted to make a quick video showing you what the Model S and hopefully X will be getting very soon. Definitely huge thanks to our channel sponsor, Abstract Ocean. If you guys are looking to accessorize your Model S, X, or Model 3, definitely check them out. It's all linked down below. Using code Tesla Inventory, all one word, will actually get you 15% off your first order. Awesome perk. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. As always, thumbs up if you did. Go and click here to subscribe. Here for some other ones. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.